Second. Okay, you can open. Open.
Oh, it's so cute.
It's a doll. It's a traditional, like, Brazilian woman in a traditional costume. Now watch, this is the cool part. Flip it over.
Oh, that is so cool. My mum had one of these.
Yes?
Oh, it's so cool.
You like it?
I'm gonna name her Priscilla.
Well, you know what they call the women who wear these outfits? They're called baianas.
Baianas.
Because they come from the state called Bahia. Bahia, so they're baianas.
I call her Bahia.
Sounds good.
Mm-hmm.
You like her?
Thanks, Elena.
You're welcome.
I want to show my mom.
Okay. Like it, Kalela?
Mom.
Say hi.